Aquarius, hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. This is for June mid-month 2020, and thank you so much, guys, for your liking, subscribing, and sharing. And thank you so much for your beautiful comment, your feedback on my channel. I'm wishing you so many blessings, happiness, abundance, prosperity, health, wealth, so many good vibes from me to you guys. And yeah, guys, if you guys are new, please subscribe to my channel. It helps me a lot. So yeah, let's start your reading, Aquarius. This is for the June mid-month for the Aquarius people. Let's see what is coming for the Aquarius. What is coming for the Aquarius for the June mid-month? Aquarius. Let's cut the deck for you guys. This is for the Aqua. Wow, Ace of Pentacles, right? After the shuffling. Page of Cups, Eight of Pentacles, Three of Cups. Page of Wands, Queen of Pentacles, Hanged Man, Knight of Wands, King of Pentacles, Ace of Wands. So we have two aces and a pair, Queen and King of Pentacles here. And look what is under the deck. Ten of Pentacles. So for some of you Aquarius, this must be a marriage between you and this person whom you're dealing with, or is going to be a marriage, because we have a very strong stable offer here on the table. This is you are very grounded, and the person is also your match. They want to be with you, they want to collaborate with you, they want to be within this long-term partnership with you, and at the same time they have so much passion for you because they love you. They have so much passion for you, and they want to spend their good times with you. I'm feeling that it must be a new person for you, Aquarius, and because you are right now very in receiving energy with this Queen of Pentacles energy, and that's why so many people are coming your way, because you are in receiving energy. Okay, with the Page of Cups, Eight of Pentacles, and the Three of Cups, an offer is coming your way and you're starting working on it, and they realize that you are very loyal person, whoever is of extending this offer to you. I'm feeling that it must be on the workplace. The person is really attracted to you with this Knight of Wands energy and with the Page of Wands energy. They are really attracted to you. For some of you it must be a younger person, or there must be an age gap between you and this person, but they have passion for you, like hot feelings. Yeah, with the Page of Wands, Queen of Pentacles, and the Hanged Man, you are not in rush, Aquarius. You are trying to be in enlightened position. You are trying to gain a change perspective, a shift of perspective. That's why you are not in rush. You know that things are coming to you, this, you know this, and but you are trying to contemplate things first, and think about the things, and think about the offers, and then making your strategies and plans. Yeah, that's okay. With a Knight of Wands, King of Wands, and the Ace of Wands, sorry, a Knight of Wands, King of Pentacles, and the Ace of Wands. Yeah, these are telling me that a person is coming for you. You are very stable at your crown, you're sitting at your crown very easily, very grounded personality, but they are coming for you with this offer, and you have this offer. You are accepting their offer, but you are taking your time to think. Yeah, what is this Ace of Pentacles for the Aquarius? Wow, Nine of Cups. So you have wished for this Emperor, beautiful. Nine of Wands. Okay, you have wished for this, and the person is really established person. They they are willing to give you, they have each and every facility to give you, to provide you. Then why are you resisting? I'm feeling that this is not resistance, this is the making healthy boundaries, Aquarius. so that you can see through them. Yeah, okay, because before accepting this offer, you want to know them completely, and that's why you're making these healthy boundaries with the Nine of Wands energy. But you know that person is really established. Okay, okay, so you know about it. Okay, what is this Eight of Pentacles for the Aquarius? Hierophant, Ten of Wands, World. So you know what, Aquarius, what I'm feeling from these three cards, that the person has marriage in the back of their mind at the first place. When they saw you, when they extend their first offer to you, they have marriage in their mind. But they were approaching to you very practically, very like business like, work project like thing, but they have this marriage in the back of their mind. Yeah, and so much passion. Ten of Wands is really so much passion. They want to start a new chapter with you. With this World card present here, they want to start a very beautiful chapter with you, in which there is passion, in which there is commitment, in which there is love. What is this Queen of Pentacles for the Aquarius? Transformation, Four of Wands, Page of Swords. Yeah, Aquarius. Okay, you don't care, you are transforming, you are keep growing within yourself and trying to be grounded at the same time, and this is the time when offer this beautiful strong connection is coming your way. This is the person, must be a Scorpio, Pisces, Aries, Leo, Sag is also here, Taurus is here, which is your what is that, Capricorn is also here. Yeah, so earth signs, water signs are here, and fire signs. So I'm feeling that the person has this marriage in their mind, and they want to transform the situation like business partners to uh, love partners. So that's why they are watching you, and they want to know everything about you, like if you have any other partner or not, if you're interested in someone else. So they want to know. Yeah, what is this Hangman? What is this Hangman for the Aquarius? Two of Wands, King of Cups, Five of Swords. Wow, Ten of Cups, bottom of the deck we have for you, Aquarius. Yeah, you have taken so much time with the Hanged Man, and now this is the time to move forward. But there is a person who has so much love for you. I'm feeling that you want to be practical with this person, because with this Five of Swords, you are not wanna stuck within the conflict with this business partner to love partner, because you think that this is not a good idea. But you cannot control the destiny, Aquarius. You cannot control the destiny. This person is really in love with you, and they are serious about the commitment with you, the marriage. What is this King of Pentacles for the Aqua? Okay, commitment, Fool, Five of Pentacles, Seven of Cups. Yeah, they will try, they will take a risk for you, for this marriage. I'm feeling that you will test them in some way, shape or form, to know like if they are really interested in the long-term partnership with you. And they will feel at that time a little bit left out in the cold by you, and but they are dreaming about you, they are making their ideas, they are fantasizing about you, to have this beautiful new beginning, because they have each and everything, they have everything except of you. What is this Ace of Wands for the Aquarius, please? Queen of Wands, Six of Swords, Strength. Yeah, this is your natural seventh, Leo, Queen of Cups and the Queen of Wands. So you are trying to be in the receiving energy at the same time, and you know that offers are surrounding you, but you want to pick the right one for yourself. And the Strength card, you are right now resisting your, you know, yourself a little bit, because you don't want to extend yourself too much, because you are testing that person right now. That's why if you are thinking that if I show them my feelings and my emotions and my passion for them, they will change. But this is only your illusions. Just go with the flow, follow your passion, and be strong. They're really serious about you, definitely. So yeah, Aquarius, this is I have for you. I hope this will resonate with you. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can share it with your friends and family if you find it helpful, and you can give me your suggestions in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, bye.